Hello children, this is grade 4, block 19 and S2. Topic is sedimentation and decantation. So here, process of sedimentation and decantation. So just take out your reader, page 119 and read out this paragraph. And you observe the diagram. These two diagrams you observe and draw this diagram and color it. Draw this in your classwork book and write the names also down. So here just you read out this one and whatever glossary is there in this lesson, just you write in your classwork book. Now I'll ask you, imagine you are an army person posted in the mountains. So the mountain stream where you got water is muddy, right? So you are very thirsty. You have only one vessel. How will you get clean water? So here what you will do? You will have only one vessel. Here the water is very muddy. So what you will do? So you will take that you will take that muddy water and you will wait for 5 or 10 minutes. You will keep the water like this for 5 or 10 minutes. And after 5 or 10 minutes, all the dirt will settle down, the mud will settle down and the clean water will come up, isn't it? So here the water looked at a little muddy after 5 minutes and even cleaner also than that after 10 minutes. So there is mud and dirt settled at the bottom right here of the glass or vessel, right children? So here see here some mud particles, what happens, will sink down after 5 minutes. So more mud particles will sink down after 10 minutes, right children? So here when muddy water is left undisturbed for some time, the mud particles settle down, leaving clean water at the top, right? So this process is called sedimentation. Okay, right? So the water left overnight will be cleaner because the mud particles have had more time to settle if you keep the water overnight, right? So you can carefully pour the water at the top of yourself to drink. See, like that, top water you can put into another vessel and it is you can able to drink. Means this muddy water you should not drink. I am talking about if you go on the mountains, right? So now this is called a decantation, right children? So one thing I want to ask you, when should you filter water? Before or after sedimentation and decantation? So here it depends. If it is very muddy, it is better to filter after sedimentation and decantation. So there is less to filter, so it is faster and the filter does not get very dirty. So this water we are not able to drink. Again you have to filter the water, right children? Again you have to filter the water, then you have to drink, right children? Now open your readers. We will see, open your workbooks children. We will see what it is there in the workbook. Page number 16. In this 16 here you can see sedimentation and decantation. Question number 1, here you can see the diagram of sedimentation and decantation, right children? So here use the example above to draw a diagram showing sedimentation. So here which is sedimentation in this two? Just you can see in the reader also very clearly. This diagram you have to draw here, right? And write down sedimentation, and here also you have to write mud. You have to label the mud and clean water. Now second one, use the example above to draw a diagram showing decantation. How can you use filtration as part of decantation? So this diagram you have to draw over here, right children? Now we will go with reader. In reader, turn to page number 122. In this 122, question number 3. What happens when muddy water is left undisturbed for a few hours? Right? So here what you will write answer for that one. The mud in the water starts to settle down, leaving clean water with little mud in the remaining water floats at top. Right? Question number 4. What do you understand by decantation? Here, open your reader, page number 119. Here the answer it is. Here it is the answer. The cleaner, here, the cleaner water on the top is carefully poured into another container. This is called decantation. That answer you have to write. Right, children? So you complete the work I have given for you. Just you read out the lesson. Without reading the lesson, you should not write. Read the lesson and write glossary also. If it is there 1, 2, 3, how many words do you have? Just you read, learn, and learn the meaning of the of this keywords. Meaning also you learn and write first this. Then you go with double margin and continue to write your question answers neatly and correctly. Don't take help of your parents in writing, children. Many of the parents are writing. Please, parents, stop writing for the children. Let the children write on their own. Thank you.